Uganda is intensifying efforts to combat air pollution as the country advances toward middle-income status. With pollution-related illnesses on the rise, government and partners are now pushing for stronger enforcement of the National Environment Air Quality Standards regulations adopted in 2024. A high-level meeting has been convened to chart practical ways of translating the regulations into action.
Air pollution is one of the major threats to public health in Uganda, particularly in urban areas where traffic congestion, industrial activity, and open burning continue to degrade air quality. 2 years after adoption of the National Environment Air Quality Standards regulations, stakeholders say implementation must now be strengthened, especially at district and city levels, where capacity remains limited. The National Environment Management Authority is meeting stakeholders to strengthen enforcement for air quality regulations, as Geoffrey Opio, the Senior Communications and Content Creations Officer, NEMA, asserts.
Is aimed at strengthening institutional capacity towards implementation of the air quality regulations. As you are aware, NEMA launched the National Environment Air Standards Regulations of 2024 in the year 2024. And we had thought it wise to seek a way on how we can bring this closer to the people so that the whole country can understand what their roles are and what are in place for them to follow to ensure that these regulations are well understood.
Key proposals include modernizing air quality monitoring systems, regulating factory emissions, and phasing out highly polluting old vehicles from the road.
It's very difficult to find a place in any of our cities, be it Kampala, be it Jinja, be it Fort Portal, Gulu. It's very difficult to find a place that has very acceptable clean air levels in line with the World Health Organizations. So it shows that we need to take action. Fortunately, at the national level, the National Environment Management Authority, NEMA, has been able to put in place the National Air Quality Regulation Standards that sets the baseline on what we need to do to improve our air quality.
Partners say cleaner air is critical not only for public health, but also for economic growth and sustainable urban development. Reporting for ABC TV, Helen Barbara and Ngabo Emon.